Hi everyone, this is Megan Von Sell, your cancer expert, and I'm the owner and CEO of Cancer Peace University. And we created Cancer Peace University with you in mind. It is our goal to set you free from the fear of cancer. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the immune system and an herbal remedy that has been used for over a century to support the immune system during a cancer diagnosis. First, let's start by talking briefly about the immune system in a cancer diagnosis. When there is a cancer diagnosis, there is going to be an immune system suppression, compromise, or distraction, such as an autoimmune disease. And those diagnosed with cancer typically deal with something called anergy. Anergy is the non-reactivity of the immune system. And many times those diagnosed with cancer have an immune system that is not reacting to the needs of cancer surveillance within the body. And there's many reasons for this, but a lot of times with a cancer diagnosis, there may be a diagnosed autoimmune condition or an undiagnosed autoimmune condition. Also, those with a cancer diagnosis many times are dealing with a chronic bacterial or chronic viral infection. They may have been diagnosed with Lyme disease. There may be other reasons why the immune system has become suppressed. Many times when there's a root canal, there can be a lingering bacterial infection that is not dealt with properly after a root canal, and this can lead to the immune system becoming weakened over time because of the chronic bacterial infection coming after a root canal. So there's many reasons why the immune system may be in a state of anergy. And this is why it's critical during a diagnosis that the immune system is properly supported. So we're going to talk about the herbal remedy that has been used for over a century to support those diagnosed with cancer. And this remedy started in Canada. Indians in Canada have used this herbal remedy for over a century and was later discovered by a woman named Renee Cassey. Renee Cassey was a head nurse at a hospital in Canada. And while she was a head nurse, there was a woman who came to her who was elderly. And she noticed scar tissue around the breast tissue of this elderly patient and asked her about it. The woman went on to tell her that she had 30 years prior had an advanced cancer diagnosis within her breast that had metastasized. And she went to an Indian medicine man in Canada, and he recommended a herbal remedy that she would create on her own, and even taught her how to find the herbs in her area and create a tea. And the herbs that she was recommended to use was sheep sorrel, slippery elm bark, turkey rhubarb root, and burdock root. And Renee Cassey was very intrigued with this story and went to visit the Indian medicine man to learn more about the herbal remedy. During this time, her aunt was diagnosed, Renee Cassey's aunt was diagnosed with metastatic cancer that had metastasized to the liver. And she started to create this herbal tonic, creating a tea for her aunt, giving her aunt the tea every single day. And the amazing thing is that her aunt recovered and went on to live another 18 years. Renee Cassey's mother was then diagnosed with cancer, and Renee Cassey proceeded to use the herbal tonic, and her mom also recovered and lived another 20 years. This led Renee Cassey to approach the Canadian government, and she actually was able to set up clinical trials in Canada to start treating terminally ill cancer patients. She only took donations, and she would not charge her patients, and she would treat her patients with this herbal tonic that she started to name Essiac tea. And she started to support terminally ill cancer patients and was able to see some success. Let's learn a little bit more about the herbs and why they're helpful. So burdock root in Essiac tea is high in an antioxidant known as anthraquinone. Anthraquinones have been found to reduce cell mutations as well as prevent tumor growth. Essiac tea is also high in an antioxidant named tannins. Essiac tea is high in an immune supportive polysaccharide named beta-sitosterol. And beta-sitosterol is immune supportive. It actually feeds immune cells and strengthens the immune system. Globally, SCIT can strengthen the immune system against infections, can help with detoxification, and reduce pain. Also, SCIT has been found to reduce free radical damage by up to 84% within the body. SCIT also contains turkey rhubarb root, which is able to initiate peristalsis, which is the movement of the bowels, and acts as a laxative. A lot of times those diagnosed with cancer have digestion compromise and they need digestion support. And the turkey rhubarb root in SCIT will act as digestive support and act as a laxative. Sheep sorrel has been found to kill tumor cells, and sheep sorrel and burdock root together strengthen the immune system, aid in detoxification, and protect vital organs. And the SCIT herbs, the SCIT was so amazing, and Renee Cassie treated cancer patients for over 60 years in Canada. She actually gathered over 55,000 written testimonials of how SCIT supported those diagnosed with cancer and was able to present it to the Canadian government. The Canadian government actually had a vote to decide if they were going to allow SCIT to be legal to treat cancer in Canada. It became 3 votes short of being legalized in Canada to be a cancer treatment. SCIT is an amazing way to support the body and help an immune system that has gone into a state of anergy, which is common with a cancer diagnosis. If you are a holistic practitioner and you want to learn more about Cancer Peace University, I'm training holistic practitioners to become Cancer Peace University instructors to help support those diagnosed with cancer and also to help clients to prevent cancer. My next mini course starts in January of 2019 and my full course will start in March of 2019. If you want to join Cancer Peace University or you're wondering what it would mean to become an instructor, send me a personal message or email me at cancerpeaceuniversity@gmail.com, and I'd love to connect with you and have a phone consult where I can share more about Cancer Peace University, how you can become an instructor. The first person to message me, I will send you a copy of my book, What is Cancer? And I hope that everyone has a great Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you again next week. Thank you.